Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, to continue the how-to series, we're going to be making a grilled cheese. Now this is a very complex process. This could take several days, so just get strapped in and we'll get started. So for this experiment, you're going to want some bread. Just any bread will work. Then you'll want cheese. Any cheese will work. You also want to have plates. It does have to be limited edition Cars Disney. That is the only plate that'll work. And you'll also need butter and a knife. And of course, a griddle or a pan. Either one will work. For this experiment, we'll be using a griddle. So first thing you're going to do before you even get started is to plug the griddle in. For your Europeans, I have no idea how that works. So now it's plugged in. The griddle is getting hot. It says don't touch it. The next step will then be getting the bread. This is probably the hardest step. You get your 2 slices of bread. You'll put them on the limited edition Cars Disney plate. You'll get some cheese. And it's all personal preference of how much cheese you like to put. Since I'm a epic person, I'm going to put 2 pieces of cheese on. So now you have the base of your sandwich completed. You're going to want to wait for the griddle to heat up all the way. And the next step you want to do after that is get your butter knife, or any knife for that matter. But what you're going to want is the bristles down on this side. Not this side, but this side. There we go. Then once you have that knife acquired, you're going to take the knife, and with the bristle side, you'll want to get a slice of butter. You'll take the piece of bread you want to spread it on. You'll start to spread the butter across the bread. Just get it all in there. Pretend that you're like painting a canvas, but butter. All across the bread. Once you're done with that, you'll put the bread back on the sandwich. And you'll want to just lay the bread wherever on the griddle. And it'll sizzle a little bit. Don't get the fire extinguisher. That's just the butter sizzling. The next step you're going to want to do is the exact same step as the last with the butter knife. You might have some butter on it. Don't worry. It'll still work. Get another slice of butter. And butter the other piece of bread. If you need to go back and get more butter, that's fine. The whole process isn't ruined. And bam, you just put it back on. And that's all there is to it. You just gotta cook it. So we'll come back when the sandwich needs to be flipped. Okay guys, so anyways, once you flip the sandwich, it should be looking like this. Nice crispy burn. You're gonna get a little bit of melty cheese, kind of like this. That's fine. You want the cheese to be grilled. That's the name. But that is that for the flipping step. You're gonna just want to wait a couple minutes or seconds. I don't know how fast you're doing it. You're gonna want both of the cheese slabs to kind of just melt. And I'm gonna focus this one back because it fell. I mean, yeah, just looking delicious. But we'll wait till the cheese melts. Anyways, well, I guess this kind of looks like a grilled cheese. Just cut to the stock footage. Cut to the stock footage. Guys, I messed up. Where's the fire extinguisher?